If you're looking for a great microphone but you don't know exactly what to buy because actually you don't even know what you need, so you're basically looking for a microphone which can do everything, which can cover pretty much every situation, from single recording, dual recording, indoor, outdoor, even in loud environments, with USB-C connectors, lightning connectors, even 3.5mm connectors, for example for a PC or for a camera, and you're actually not ready to spend a fortune on such a microphone, then I have an absolute awesome choice, and that's this BOYA Magic-02, which I got from the seller to show you. I think I never had a microphone which can cover so many situations and is so highly adjustable, highly configurable, because it comes even with a free app where you can set pretty much everything. You can run it like here without noise cancelling, but you can have low noise cancelling, high noise cancelling. And so especially if you're interested in the noise cancelling, I've tested this already outside at a very loud outside pool pump in the 3 different settings, and it worked really great. BOYA Link with no noise cancelling, BOYA Link weak noise cancelling test, BOYA Link strong noise cancelling test. Yeah, definitely very effective, huge difference. And on top of that, what's also important with the noise cancelling is that the noise cancelling only works when it's really loud. For example, definitely not here inside. Currently I'm recording without the noise cancelling, but when I hit the button here on top of the microphone, then the light turns green also on the receiver, which is awesome. Some of the microphones have only a light on the microphone or only on the receiver. Here we see it on both ends, and now I'm recording in the noise cancelling mode, and I've already tested it and I pretty much couldn't hear any difference, but again, it's not needed here. So I turned it off, but it doesn't matter. So let's get a little bit to what we get here. That's the packaging. Comes with a small instructions manual, but it's actually not difficult to use. Pretty much plug and play. Comes also with this really nice case. Comes even actually with a charging cradle, which is then turning this microphone into a handheld microphone. So we cannot only use it here with the magnet and also with a clip, but we can also put it here inside. We can just open this thing here and put the microphone here inside. We can store and charge both of them here inside, or we just use one. You can see I took it out and can put it here in the upper position. That's how we use it here inside, or also with the second one here inside. Doesn't matter, we close it here, then we long press here, and then we can see a blue light. I hope you can see that here. And now I see also the second blue light on the receiver. So both microphones are actually on. I could even add this windsock here, and I could add it to a tripod and use it here as a desktop microphone. Now turning this microphone even off with a long press. I hope that works. Yeah, I think it's gone. Now I see it's still in the noise cancelling mode. I can also press here, and now I can see one of the receiver lights is flashing and the other one is steady. So it's definitely recording from this microphone. So I can take this even a little bit closer. So this is how it sounds when you're using this microphone. But of course you can also use this as a handheld, or you can also use both microphones at the same time when you're doing an interview. Now using this one here even for me alone, so you can see works really in every situation. And we do not only get this windsock, we get even this fluffy windsock, we get USB A to C charging cable, we get even a second receiver. Currently I'm using the one with the USB-C plug. Here's the one with the lightning plug, and then we get the receiver, separate receiver for the 3.5mm cable, which we also get. And we get also 2 windsocks for the small, really super small tiny microphones, which are only 7 grams. And what I like is also the clipping style. Hope you can see that here in the back. It's so super easy. I can even show you that here live in front of the camera. We just align it here, can see it's already ready to be used like that. And also removing is very easy. You can see here I've already removed it from the microphone. And what you also have here in this device, which is the charging cradle and a microphone, we have also an opening down here which you can use to store the receiver down here. So if you're planning to do some recording outside, you just take this one with you and you have two microphones and you have even the receiver, you have everything with you. You can even charge it here inside. Yeah, absolutely amazing. And if you didn't hear any clipping so far, that's because it has an automatic limiter built into this microphone. Also super important, especially if you want to have the microphone a little bit higher, or sometimes you're doing stuff down here and then it could cause pop effect. I've never heard that here. Really does an awesome job on preventing clipping. And if you have to record in a very loud environment, you can even activate a second audio track recording in the app where it records even an alternate audio track with -12 decibels. Yeah, absolutely amazing. I would say in this class pretty much impossible to beat. At least I have never seen something better than that. Yeah, is it absolutely perfect? I mean, I would say it's pretty close to that, at least for the price. We really have some super amazing features. I've been running into just two minor problems. One small issue is probably because we have different receivers. For example, also this 3.5mm receiver. And so the microphones and the receivers have a built-in pairing mode where we press, for example, here on the microphone when it's off for 5 seconds, or on the receiver in any condition for 5 seconds at the same time. And then microphone and the receiver will pair. But of course, this can also be used to unpair. So I've been stuck in this situation for about 5 minutes that I had to read the instructions and find out how to repair, because I just wanted to turn off the microphone and pressed a little bit too long and then it got unpaired. And the other thing has also to do with the receiver. Yeah, come a little bit closer here, you can see the lightning adapter. And so when I plug it in, for example, into this iPhone, you can see it's definitely not a very low profile receiver. So for example, when you have it on a desk, you can see definitely far from being low profile. You can't put it flat on a desk or so, and when you hit it accidentally, yeah, that wouldn't be good. Or just drop the phone during the recording. The majority of the receivers these days are low profile, something like that. When I plug it in, you can see it's pretty much flat here. Of course, it's not because they haven't been able to make this smaller. It's just because they wanted to have it really fancy here, to be able to store it here in this microphone, which is a cool thing. But on the other hand, it has quite some disadvantages here. But I mean, it's not a huge thing. It's really just a minor thing. I mean, it's absolutely amazing what we get here. And also, I would say the quality, what we get, it's really top notch. Hard to beat in this class. By the way, I've already made another YouTube video when using this microphone here, not only this video here. And I've definitely been happy with the result. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this microphone or microphone set, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.